Hi everybody, this is Jen, and I wanted to share with you a product that the company reached out to me and asked me if I would share with you guys. So this company is called Ceya, and it's mica powder, and it is on Amazon. So mica powder is very versatile. Now, if you know anything about mica powder, you can buy like a little bitty thing from like Tim Holtz or Ranger, and they cost about $3 or $4 a piece. These are huge. So yeah, this is 300 milliliters. So, and yeah, so this is a lot, and I think they're like $9.99 a piece, so they're not really expensive for the amount that you get. And these are also, so what do you do with mica powder? And I'll do a couple tutorials. Okay, so they're $10.98 each for now. So everything's linked below, but I'll show you the colors that I got and then how they come. But yeah, this is a lot of mica powder. It will go a long way. And you can use mica powder for jewelry, like to add shine to jewelry. You can use it on silicone molds, in your silicone or in your acrylic pouring, slime, soap, bath bombs, candles, resin, nail polish. So it's very versatile. You can use it just as like a watercolor, just by adding water, and you can use it on cards by using a medium, putting it on, and then spritzing it with water. But I'm just sharing this with you today, the colors that I got. So again, it is down below. The link is down below, and then I'll link it in my Amazon store also, so you can see that. And that is an affiliate, the Amazon affiliate. So, but these products, I just they actually just sent me. They asked me what colors I wanted. So I'll start with the basic colors. So this is a white pearlescent, and it comes so much in there. It comes in a little, each one of them come in a little box like this, 300 milliliters. It's from Ceya. I like their little, the Y is like a mermaid tail. And then it comes with your little spoon inside. So that's nifty to have. And then when you open them up, they are sealed, which is very good for shipping. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop the top off of this white pearlescent for you guys. And mica powder is very, very fine. So watch your area. So you can see, I hope you can see that nice shine that it's giving off, that glitter, and how fine that is. That is like as fine, if not finer, than a baby powder. It is mica powder. So that is the pearlescent white, and it came very fast too. And this is called Millennial Pink, and they weren't labeled, so I just wrote the colors on them. I'll go ahead and open that one for you too, and then we'll open one of the darker colors. The Millennial Pink is really a pretty color. I love it. Okay, Millennial Pink. I got red. It was just red. That's going to be fun to play with. I wanted a yellow. I didn't get a yellow, so I'm going to have to get a yellow. This is ultramarine. Oh, it is a mermaid color and a watercolor if I've ever seen one. This is the red wine. Forest green. That's going to be fun. That would be really nice, luminescent. Let's open the forest green. I'm thinking like in room boxes and stuff, you can make this glow in the back, like reflective. shimmer in the very, in the back with some lights. Ugh, that is so pretty. Isn't that satisfying? Ooh, just buy them for this. There's the green, and then I got the black. I'm pretty sure this is the black. It's either the black or the slate gray. I think it's the black. Maybe the gray. And you can mix the colors. You can do all sorts of stuff with them. But that is a lot of mica powder. Okay, so I wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to share the haul, and then we'll do a couple projects with them. Different things. I just want to come up with something maybe a little unique. But yeah, head on over to Amazon. The links are down below. This is a lot of mica powder for a little bit of money if you have reason to buy large amounts. Like I said, jewelry, bath bombs, candles, resin work. So definitely head on over there, grab the colors that you want, because it is well worth it if you have a need for bulk mica powder, and a little bit of mica powder goes a long way, by the way. So all right, head on over there. We'll see you next time. Yeah, keep watching for some projects with this stuff, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.